Hi, my name is Alan and welcome to another BMW Northwest Tech Tip. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to utilize the park assistance feature that can be optioned on some of our vehicles. Just as a reminder, now that we're in the BMW, even though you might see a spot, the BMW might not always indicate that there is one. The reason being for this is that the spot has to be big enough for the BMW to park and for the doors to open to allow all the passengers to exit. So as you enter the parking lot, the first step in this process is to press the park assistance button located on the center console. Then as you drive along, the BMW is going to scan for a spot and it will alert you when it's found one. At this point, you need to follow the prompts in the iDrive display. The first step is to turn on the turn signal in the direction that you want to park. Then you need to accept the terms and conditions. And the most important feature is to hold down the park assistance button as the system is working. So press and hold, take your hands off the steering wheel and the brake. Continue to hover your foot over the brake just in case. Now, if at any time you get uncomfortable, you can either press your foot on the brake or simply release the park assistance button and the vehicle will come to a stop. If you accidentally release your finger from the park assistance button, you can press and hold down again and the system will resume. When it's finished parking, you'll get a prompt on the iDrive display telling you that it is finished. From there, you can release the button, turn the vehicle off, and exit. Thank you for watching BMW Northwest Tech Tip. If you have any questions or suggestions for a future Tech Tip video, please leave a comment down below.